automotive enthusiasts. Are you tired of those unsightly dents on your beloved ride? Well, in this video, we've got the scoop on the top 5 dent repair kits for your beloved ride. No sponsorships, just honest insights. Stay tuned to make your car shine. For the latest info, check out the links below and don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up.
Let's dive into our first pick of the BBKANG. A 58-piece auto body restoration tool set that weighs for 24 pounds and is convenient for dent removal. This kit is equipped with 24 Pro tabs to address a variety of dent shapes. Its user-friendly design promises that most dents can be efficiently removed within just half an hour, sparing you the expense of repeated visits to automotive repair shop. Its dent removal tools are made of durable, pressure-resistant materials, ensuring durability and have undertaken rigorous quality control checks. It prioritizes the protection of your car's original paint, avoiding any harm or the use of toxic chemicals. The glue used is easily removable with alcohol, and the sole precaution is cleaning the paint before application. As a present, a high-quality tool bag is included to organize and safeguard small parts.
Let's now shift our next pick to the YOOHE Dent Repair Puller Kit, a cost-effective solution that boasts only 2.68 pounds, making it easy to handle and transport for effective dent repair. Its ingenious slide hammer T-bar puller tool with a lever-type design efficiently repairs metal panel dents and can be disassembled into 2 separate T-bars, enhancing its versatility. Its adaptability extends to different dent sizes with 16 adjustable professional tabs and an adaptive dent repair lifter. The tool is made from hardened high-carbon stainless steels, which makes it very durable. This dependable tool has several applications because of its long lifespan and usage of sturdy plastic and rubber that won't damage the vehicle's surface. Beyond car dent removal, this kit excels on various metal surfaces, including refrigerators, motorcycles, hail damage.
The following product we are discussing now, the GLISTON, a strong and portable dent repair solution with a voltage of 12 volts and a weight of 2.66 pounds. At its core is especially designed with adjustable width and height thanks to the golden dent lifter. Crafted from high-quality metal and featuring soft rubber on the bottom, it protects your car's original paint. With 21 size dent remover tabs made from specially hardened material with a unique texture, they ensure secure glue adhesion without detachment. These tabs are thicker and larger, ideal for substantial dent repairs. The kit includes professional adhesive viscous glue for dent removal and a quick melting glue gun, speeding up the process and eliminating long waits. GLISTON's commitment to quality includes a generous 3-year warranty and responsive customer service, offering assistance 24/7.
Next up, introducing the Manelord Repair Tool Kit, a paramount choice for those seeking to mend minor dents. Harnessing a robust 100 watts and powered by corded electric, it provides precise minor dent repair, designed with a unique arched bridge, which employs the principle of leverage. It enables spacing adjustments and button rotation for a snug dent fit, resulting in efficient, labor-saving repairs with a 162-pound weight and high efficacy. It also includes a double pull bridge dent puller, 10 puller tabs, 2 glue shovels, an empty bottle, and a cleaning cloth, making it an unmatched choice for both professionals and die enthusiasts. The polygon-designed handle ensures a firm grip, while the various glue tabs cater to dents of diverse sizes, preserving the original paint.
Last but not least, the GLISTON Dent Puller Kit is our top pick with its enhanced dent lifter that adjusts an additional 1 cm in height and 3/8 cm in width, ensuring a more effective dent pulling experience. Its 286-pound weight and high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel construction make it sturdy. It skillfully reduces damage with a distinctive arched bridge design. With 5 tab sizes and 16 dent lifter tabs, this kit exhibits versatility. Prioritizing user convenience, most dents can be fixed in under 30 minutes. A hot glue gun, strong glue sticks, plastic bridge dent puller, golden dent lifter, and pry tools are included, all meticulously inspected for durability. The glue gun has a fuse and the dent pullers have padded rubber feet to protect paint. GLISTON allows quick dent removal and restoration without harmful chemicals.